Are you more comfortable reading in a language other than English? If so, your librarians have a resource that will help you. As you're looking through Ms. Strong's list of possible topics for your bill, some of them are in databases that will allow you to translate articles, and some of them are in resources that don't allow you to translate articles. So what I'm going to do here is look at a resource that is just a general web resource. So climate change will take you to a general web resource. As you can see, the entire website is in English, and when I looked, I wasn't able to find a place to translate it. What we're going to do is use Google Translate. It is a Chrome extension, so you have to make sure you're using the Chrome browser. You're going to click on this puzzle piece right here for extensions, and then you're going to make sure that Google Translate is pinned. So you're going to want to make sure that this is blue. Once this is blue, you will be able to find Google Translate right here in your web browser. So what I'm going to do is click on Google Translate. If I had just one word I wanted to translate, I could type it into this box and click Translate. But if I'd like to translate the whole page, I just click Translate this page. So it's showing me that it is in English, and what I can do is change it to any language on this list. So right here, I'm going to click Spanish, and it changes the entire website to Spanish. I hope that this is helpful to you as you start this project.